Hi everyone, for today's cook-along I'm going to be showing you how to make some really nice and simple apple donuts. For the apple part of your apple donuts you will need an apple and a peeler or a knife to peel your apple and an apple corer, or again you could just use a knife to take the middle out of your apple and make it look like a ring donut. Then for the toppings of your donut you can use anything you want, but I'm going to be using some spready cheese with some honey, some chocolate spread, some almond butter, but you could use peanut butter, some sprinkles, some cinnamon and some sultanas. And start by peeling and then taking the core out of my apples. Once the apple is peeled you just want to chop it into slices quite thin. Once you have your slices, just take out the core with an apple corer or some sort of cutter, or you could just use a knife and cut out the middle as you're chopping it up. The next bit is the really fun bit that you can get little hands involved with, so you can pick any topping that you'd like. So I'm going to do some Philadelphia cheese on this one. On the next one I'm going to do some almond butter. And then on my last one I'm going to do some chocolate spread. And then the really fun bit is that you can decorate these however you want. So I'm going to do some rainbow sprinkles. On my almond butter one I will do some cinnamon, and some sultanas. But this is the bit that you could be really creative with and put on whatever you want, in whatever pattern you want. And then you've got some really nice little donuts as a fun and easy little snack.